Good morning, everyone. HelloNote is excited to introduce a new feature for all clients, allowing therapists to duplicate a case along with its rules without needing to retype everything for the patients. Let's dive into the steps. Now that we're on the patient's information page, let's navigate to the Notes tab located in the upper right corner. Once the page loads, you should see a list of cases displayed on the screen. As we can see, the first case is the only active one from the list. We'll click on the Actions button on the right and select Update Case to examine the details more closely, which we'll duplicate later. In the pop-up, you'll see the office location listed as Demo New, with the case title as First Case. The primary insurance is self-pay, and the assigned therapist is Juan Doe. This case is categorized under Medicare Part B. As we scroll down, you'll notice that both Check Schedule and Allow Co-Treatment options are checked. Returning to the case list, click the Actions button and select Duplicate Case. When the pop-up appears, you'll see the case title change from First Case to First Case Duplicate, while other details remain unchanged. We will leave everything else as is, change the title to Second Case, and scroll to the bottom. Toggle the checkbox for POC expiration lock and uncheck the one for Allow CO treatment. Finally, save the duplicated case. With the list updated, let's check our duplicated case. Click the Actions button corresponding to the newly duplicated case and select Update Case to view the details. It retains the same information as the first case, except for the title and the edits we made to the rules. Thank you for following along with the tutorial on duplicating a case, which helps reduce the need for therapists to repeatedly type the same information. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions.